Hello dear Schemians, Dtubers, members of Uptrend and all beautiful and creative blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the prices of the major cryptocurrencies according to the beautiful site of CoinGecko. And we see that most of the major cryptocurrencies have been trading sideways for the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is trading at the level of $7,514. Ethereum is trading close to the psychological level of $150. Price of XRP has increased or actually rebounded just a little bit, so slightly. Tether it's $1 almost at any time. So prices of most of the major cryptocurrencies have been just trading sideways for the couple of few days, and that's why today I want to comment on one article with an illustration of the coin appreciation year to date. So this is an article on Bloomberg with the title "Best Performing Cryptocurrency Powers Controversial Exchange." So it's about the cryptocurrency exchange of Binance and of course about the BNB token. So according to this illustration, coin appreciation year to date, top 10 cryptocurrencies, Binance coin has outperformed during this year Bitcoin. So this is the price increase since the beginning of the year of Bitcoin. It is 98%. And Binance has increased in value by 150%. We see that the other cryptocurrencies among the major ones that have recorded also a solid price increase are Litecoin with 47%, Bitcoin Cash with 38%. We see Bitcoin Satoshi Vision with a slight increase, let's say of 13%. I mean slight increase if compared to the other major cryptocurrencies. Ethereum has recorded also a slight increase with 10.5%. XRP has decreased in value since the beginning of the year by 38% and Stellar as well by almost or 40%. And in this article written by and published on the site of Bloomberg, there are some explanations about the cryptocurrency exchange Binance and the Binance coin. And let me just outline one paragraph saying that Binance has grown its market share from 30% of volume from top-ranked exchanges to 45% according to researcher CryptoCompare, which ranks exchanges. Even though it only launched futures in September, the private firm is already the fourth largest Bitcoin futures exchange according to trackersq.com. So, I don't know what do you think, fellas, about Binance coin. But it's nice that we have this diversity of coins, and I'm happy that at least some coins have exhibited solid price increases this year. Let's hope that the rest of the cryptocurrencies, of the major cryptocurrencies, will record a price increase in the next year of 2020. Of course, some people like Binance coins, some people don't like Binance coin. It's up to you, but let's hope that most of the major cryptocurrencies, as I just mentioned, will exhibit price increase in the next year of 2020. Now let's move to some other interesting news, and I just said interesting because it's about the social media platform Voice that I mentioned a couple of days ago. So we know that Dan Larimer is the CTO of this Voice social media platform. They published on their blog an announcement a couple of days ago that on 14th of February they will launch the beta version of Voice. And here is already we see that even Cointelegraph mentioned their announcement. So this is an article about Voice that is created by EOS creator Block One in June. So they unveiled that they will launch this social media in June. So this is an article about Voice, and of course I don't think that Voice is going to be a competitor to STEEM, and in particular I'm into STEEM blockchain. I said STEEM because Voice is a company similar to STEEM that will be a kind of, in my view, let's say front end to the blockchain of their token. And what I want to say is I'm much more happy when I see such kind of initiatives by other communities to launch a kind of, let's say, decentralized social media platforms, because it will spread the word among social media platform users and bloggers and content creators, that they can monetize much more easily their content. And at the end of the day, I think that all these new like social media platforms, they will be a kind of channel that will bring people from centralized social media platforms into the decentralized social media platforms. So at the end of the day, I think STEEM blockchain will benefit from such kind of initiatives. So I'm really welcoming the launch of Voice. Now let's move to some other interesting news, and this is a tweet published on Twitter, actually in the account of Charlie Lee, who is the creator of Litecoin. So he published a very interesting tweet 2 days ago that Bolt-A-Thon is a cool virtual Lightning Network conference. This means you can attend from anywhere in the world. Tickets are only 100k Satoshi, or $7.5 per session. If you are interested in the Lightning Network, be sure to check out the hackathon on the session. And I click on this link, and this is actually the link of this Bolt-A-Thon session that took place yesterday on December 7th, and probably they will have in the foreseeable future many more sessions like this. So here is the list of the speaker: Hackathon, Just Jagger, or German Jäger, Brandon Curtis, and so on. So they talk about the Lightning Network and how the Lightning Network may enhance the ecosystem of Bitcoin. And what I want to say is, we all know that the Lightning Network is a second layer payment protocol built on the top of Bitcoin blockchain, and many cryptocurrency users and enthusiasts all over the world, they think that the Lightning Network will solve the scalability issue of Bitcoin. But that's why I'm also welcoming such kind of initiatives, because it develops the infrastructure of the cryptocurrency world. And even the Bolt-A-Thon, in their Twitter account, they mentioned that we're excited to announce LTC Foundation, Litecoin Foundation, as a sponsor to Bolt-A-Thon 2. Thank you for giving back to the Bitcoin community and helping to foster the growth of the Lightning Network all over the world. Of course, that's nice, but I'm just wondering why people, crypto enthusiasts, should pay for such kind of conferences. Because if these fellas want to make like Bitcoin more worldwide acceptable and easy, to make it much more easy to pay all over the world with Bitcoin, and you want to make Bitcoin better, why you should charge me to participate in your conference to learn how to use the Lightning Network? If you want to promote this Lightning Network, this second layer solution, it should be for free. The information should be for free. This is in my view. In this way, when you charge people for such kind of online conference, and you want to say, I want to make Bitcoin better, it looks like you just want to make money on this conference and to profit from it, not to promote, not to develop the Lightning Network and to make it easier for people to use it. If you want to promote the Lightning Network, it should be for free in my view, but I may be wrong, it's just my point of view. But anyway, that's nice, and that's it for today, to be honest. I hope you enjoy my video. I wish you a wonderful Sunday and hope to see you in the next one. It was me at CryptoSpy.